Today, hormonal issues are skyrocketing. Your constant fatigue and mood swings could be due to these hormone imbalances as well as caused by the foods you eat. Here are 7 foods we can replace to restore hormonal balance. Food number 7, flaxseed. Flaxseed. These little seeds are packed with nutrients that can make a big difference in your hormone balance. Flax seeds are particularly rich in lignans, which are compounds that can help balance estrogen levels in your body. If you're dealing with hormonal imbalances, adding flax seeds to your diet could be a game changer. Do you ever sprinkle seeds in your salads or smoothies? If not, you might want to start now. Not only do flax seeds help with estrogen levels, but they are also an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats are essential for reducing inflammation in your body. Chronic inflammation can wreak havoc on your hormones, so it's crucial to keep it in check. By including flaxseed in your meals, you're giving your body a tool to fight off inflammation and maintain a healthier balance. One of the easiest ways to incorporate flaxseed into your diet is by adding them to your morning smoothie. Just a tablespoon can provide you with a good amount of omega-3s and lignans. If smoothies aren't your things, you can sprinkle them on yogurt, salads, or even mix them into your baking. Have you tried baking with flax seeds before? They can be a great addition to homemade bread or muffins. Another benefit of flax seeds is their high fiber content. Fiber is essential for your digestive health, and a healthy gut plays a significant role in hormone regulation. By keeping your digestive system running smoothly, you're also helping to balance your hormones. So, next time you're at the grocery store, grab a bag of flax seeds and start experimenting with different ways to include them in your diet. Trust me, your hormones will thank you. Food number 6, fatty fish. Now let's talk about fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines. These fish are not only delicious, but also incredibly beneficial for your hormone health. Fatty fish are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which are crucial for supporting hormone production. Are you a fan of seafood? If not, you might want to reconsider after hearing about these benefits. Omega-3 fatty acids found in fatty fish help reduce inflammation in the body, similar to flax seeds. Inflammation is one of the biggest culprits when it comes to hormonal imbalances. By eating fatty fish regularly, you're giving your body a natural way to combat inflammation and support overall hormonal health. Have you ever cooked salmon at home? It's easier than you might think. You can bake it, grill it, or even pan-sear it with some olive oil and herbs. Adding a couple of servings of fatty fish to your weekly meal plan can make a significant difference. Not only are you getting a good dose of omega-3s, but you're also benefiting from the high-quality protein and essential nutrients that fish provide. If you're not a big fan of cooking fish, don't worry. There are plenty of ways to incorporate it into your diet without too much hassle. For instance, you can try canned salmon or sardines. They're convenient, affordable, and just as nutritious as fresh fish. Food number 5, leafy greens. Let's talk about leafy greens, one of the most versatile and nutritious foods you can add to your diet. Have you ever thought about how something as simple as spinach or kale can impact your hormones? Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are packed with magnesium, a mineral that plays a crucial role in regulating cortisol levels. Cortisol is often called the stress hormone, and keeping it in check is essential for maintaining overall hormone balance. Do you enjoy adding greens to your meals? It's one of the easiest ways to boost your magnesium intake. Whether you're making a smoothie, a salad, or even a stir-fry, tossing in a handful of spinach or kale can do wonders for your health. Magnesium not only helps with cortisol regulation, but also supports numerous other bodily functions. When your cortisol levels are balanced, you'll likely notice you feel more relaxed and less strained. Leafy greens are also loaded with other essential nutrients like vitamins A, C, and K, as well as iron and calcium. These nutrients contribute to your overall health and can indirectly support hormone balance. For example, vitamin C is vital for adrenal health, which affects hormone production. Have you ever tried Swiss chard in your dishes? It's an often overlooked green that's just as beneficial as spinach and kale. Another great way to consume leafy greens is by adding them to your smoothies. You might think a green smoothie sounds unappetizing, but with the right ingredients, it can be both tasty and nutritious. Food number 4, avocados. Now let's dive into the world of avocados. These creamy fruits are not only delicious, but also incredibly beneficial for your hormones. Did you know that avocados are high in healthy fats that support hormone production? These healthy fats are essential for creating and maintaining the proper function of your hormones. Whether it's smashed on toast, blended into a smoothie, or sliced in a salad, avocados are incredibly versatile. They contain beta-sitosterol, a plant compound that can influence cortisol levels and support overall hormone health. By helping to regulate cortisol, avocados can contribute to a more balanced and less stressed body. Avocados are also rich in other important nutrients, such as potassium and vitamin E. Potassium helps with fluid balance and can support blood pressure regulation, while vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that can protect your cells from damage. Have you ever added avocado to your smoothie? It might sound unusual, but it adds a creamy texture and a nutritional punch. Another fantastic way to enjoy avocados is by making guacamole. Mixing avocados with lime juice, cilantro, and a pinch of salt can make a delicious dip that's perfect for snacking or adding to meals. It's a tasty way to get more healthy fats into your diet. Food number 3, nuts and seeds. Let's talk about nuts and seeds, which are some of the most nutrient-dense foods you can include in your diet. Do you snack on almonds, walnuts, pumpkin seeds, or sunflower seeds? These little powerhouses are packed with essential fatty acids and nutrients that support hormone production and balance. The healthy fats found in nuts and seeds are crucial for your body to produce hormones effectively. Almonds, for instance, are rich in vitamin E, which acts as an antioxidant and helps protect your cells from oxidative stress. This is important because oxidative stress can lead to inflammation, which in turn can disrupt your hormone balance. Walnuts, on the other hand, are high in omega-3 fatty acids, which are known for their anti-inflammatory properties. Including a variety of nuts and seeds in your diet can ensure you get a wide range of nutrients that support overall hormone health. Pumpkin seeds are particularly noteworthy for their high zinc content. Zinc is essential for hormone production and can help balance levels of key hormones in the body. Sunflower seeds are another great option, providing a good source of selenium, which supports thyroid health. Have you ever tried adding a mix of nuts and seeds to your breakfast cereal or yogurt? It's a simple way to boost your intake of these vital nutrients. Incorporating nuts and seeds into your daily routine is easy. You can sprinkle them on salads, blend them into smoothies, or simply enjoy them as a snack. Food number 2, berries. Now let's move on to berries, which are not only delicious, but also incredibly beneficial for your hormones. Do you love blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries? These fruits are packed with antioxidants and fiber, which help reduce inflammation and support hormone balance. The antioxidants in berries protect your cells from damage and help reduce oxidative stress, which can have a positive impact on your hormone levels. Fiber is another key component of berries that aids in hormone balance. It helps regulate blood sugar levels and supports digestive health, both of which are crucial for maintaining hormonal equilibrium. Have you ever started your day with a berry smoothie or added berries to your oatmeal? It's a refreshing and nutritious way to incorporate these superfoods into your diet. Blueberries in particular are high in vitamin C, which supports adrenal health and helps manage stress levels. Strawberries are rich in folate, which is essential for DNA synthesis and repair, and can influence hormone production. Raspberries are packed with fiber, aiding in digestion and helping to regulate hormones. Including a variety of berries in your diet ensures you get a broad spectrum of nutrients that support your hormonal health. Do you enjoy making desserts with berries? They can be a healthy and delicious way to satisfy your sweet tooth while also supporting your hormone balance. Try a mixed berry salad with a drizzle of honey, or bake some berry muffins for a nutritious treat. Food number 1, cruciferous vegetables. Finally, let's talk about cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts. These vegetables contain compounds that help the body metabolize and balance estrogen, which is crucial for overall hormonal health. One of the key compounds found in cruciferous vegetables is indole-3-carbinol, which supports the liver in processing and eliminating excess estrogen from the body. This helps prevent estrogen dominance, a common hormonal imbalance that can lead to various health issues. Including cruciferous vegetables in your diet can help maintain a healthy balance of estrogen. Broccoli, for instance, is not only high in fiber, but also rich in vitamins C and K, which support immune function and bone health. Cauliflower is a versatile vegetable that can be used in various dishes, providing nutrients like choline that support brain health and hormone production. Brussels sprouts are another excellent choice, offering high levels of antioxidants and fiber. Have you ever tried roasting Brussels sprouts with a bit of olive oil and sea salt? It's a simple yet delicious way to enjoy this nutrient-packed vegetable. Or how about making a cauliflower rice stir-fry? It's a great low-carb alternative that's also beneficial for your hormones. By incorporating cruciferous vegetables into your meals, you're not only supporting hormone balance, but also boosting your overall health. To recap, incorporating foods like flax seeds, fatty fish, leafy greens, avocados, nuts and seeds, berries, and cruciferous vegetables can significantly help balance your hormones and improve your health from the inside out. Start adding these foods to your diet today and feel the difference in your hormone health.